everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create those bubble letters that I went over in class for our one-word project. And so the way I created those bubble letters was I went into Microsoft Word. So if you have Microsoft Word, you can just click down here in the bottom left where it says type here to search. All I did was click on that and I just typed in Word, and Word shows up and I just clicked on open. When I click open, this pops up right here. Now, it's going to show you a bunch of different templates, but I just want a blank document. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to open a blank document for me. Now the first thing I want to do is change the layout. I want it to be sideways, not up and down. And here's what I mean. So when I go to layout, I'm going to click on this layout button right here, and I'm going to go to orientation. This will flip it on its side. So when I click on that, it starts out in portrait. I want to put it in landscape so that it's sideways now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the margins so I can fit as much on this paper as possible. And so if you click on this margins just to the left of that orientation tab that you clicked just now, when I click that, I'm going to go to narrow. And now I can use more space on my paper because I've changed the margins. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some word art. This is how I create those bubble letters. So I'm going to go back up here to the top and click on insert. And then over to the right, there's this word art button. I'm going to click on that and it's going to give me some options. Now to do those bubble letters so that you can write inside of those letters, I clicked on this one right here so that there is some white space inside the letter. So if I click that, now it says type your text here. So my word, or for example, let's do smart again. And so I use my caps lock because I want it all in capital letters. So I type smart. Now it's just going to look like this. What I've found is I want to do text effects. And I'm going to go down to transform. And then I'm going to choose the one of the warp ones. And this is the one that I've chosen right here, where for triangle up. If you want to do a different type of word art, you are more than welcome to. If you want to switch it all around, you have all of these different options. Okay, I'm going to keep it right here. And now it's a little bit small, so I'm going to change the size of the text. To do that, you can highlight it and this little window pops up to change it, and I want it to be 36. And I'm going to drag this to fit my whole entire page. And now I have my word. Now don't get nervous. If you click on it to try to move it, it's going to look like this when you edit it. But once you click away, it will go back to the triangle up or whichever one you've chosen. So this is how you do your bubble letters. And then once you are satisfied with this, you can print it. And then you can start writing inside of the letter. Now, if you don't have Microsoft Word and you or if you don't have a printer, you are more than welcome to just handwrite, create your own bubble letters. And even if you do have your own printer, if you would prefer to be creative and to create your own bubble letters, if you are artistic, and even if you aren't artistic, if it would make you happier to just create your own bubble letters, you are more than welcome to do that. This is your project. You get to choose how you make this because this is about your identity. So I just wanted to give you this option if you want to write in these bubble letters, or you can create your own bubble letters. Again, don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions at all.